Let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed this strange truth about life? The people who try the hardest to be seen are usually the least remembered, and the people who disappear, the ones who don't explain, don't beg, don't chase, they leave a silence so loud it echoes. Today, we are talking about something most men get completely wrong. They believe attention is power, but real power is absence. The lie men are sold. From childhood, men are taught one thing: show up more, try harder, be available, prove your worth. So, men talk more, text more, explain more, chase more. They believe presence equals value. But here's the uncomfortable truth: overexposure kills mystery, availability kills desire, predictability kills respect. Attention is everywhere. Attention is cheap. But absence is rare. And rarity creates value. Why absence triggers the mind? Human psychology works on contrast, not consistency. You don't miss the sun on a sunny day. You miss it after days of rain. You don't value air until you are gasping for it. In the same way, presence is felt in the moment. Absence is felt in the mind. When a man is always there, there is no tension, no uncertainty, no emotional investment. But when a man steps back without anger, without explanation, without drama, the mind starts working over time. Questions appear. Where did he go? Why doesn't he care? Did I misjudge his value? Did I misjudge his value? Absence forces reflection, and reflection is where attachment grows. Attention is reactive, absence is authoritative. Attention says, please notice me. Absence says, I don't need validation to exist. One is reactive, the other is grounded. A man who constantly seeks attention is subconsciously saying, I need something from you. A man who can walk away is saying, I already have everything I need. That energy is felt instantly. Power does not speak loudly. Power does not explain itself. Power simply moves differently. The magnetism of self containment. Here's something most people won't tell you. The most attractive men are not the most talkative, romantic, or available. They are the most self contained. They have a mission, a direction, a life that does not pause for approval. When they leave, it's not to manipulate, it's because their life continues regardless. And that's the key difference. Absence only works when it's real, not silence to get a reaction, not distance to punish, but distance because you are busy becoming. Why? Walking away builds respect. Respect is not built by tolerance. Respect is built by boundaries. When a man accepts disrespect, over explains, overstays, over gives, he teaches people how to treat him. But when a man walks away calmly, no anger, no insult, no begging, he sends a clear signal. This does not meet my standard. This does not meet my standards. And standards are magnetic. People don't chase people, they chase standards. They fear losing access to. They chase standards. They fear losing access to. The silence after you leave. There is a moment after a man leaves that no one talks about. It's quiet, no text, no reactions, no validation. But inside the other person's mind, you are louder than ever. Your absence becomes a mirror. Your silence becomes a caution. Your distance becomes significance. Not because you tried to be important, but because you did not need to be. Absence is not disappearing, it's detachment. Let's be clear. This is not about ghosting. This is not about manipulation. This is not about playing games. This is about detachment. Detachment says, I care, but I am not controlled. I love, but I don't lose myself. I show up, but I can leave. A man who cannot leave is not choosing to stay. He is trapped, and nothing kills attraction faster than a man who has no exit. The man who is missed, not chased. The strongest man don't ask, do you like me? They ask, does this align with my path? They don't try to be unforgettable. They just live in a way that leaves a mark. They don't try to be unforgettable. They just live in a way that leaves a mark. When they leave, conversations feel empty. Energy shifts. Silence feels heavier because their presence was not noise, it was weight. Final truth. Attention can be demanded. Absence must be earned. Only a man with purpose, self respect, direction, emotional discipline can afford to be absent. And when he is, the world leans in. The world leans in. Remember this. If your presence is not valued, your absence will be. And if your absence is not felt, you were never present in the first place.
If this resonated, you already know what to do. You already know what to do.